Have you been wondering what the buzz about living in South Canmore is all about? Well, this is what life in the ideal pocket of South Canmore looks like. The creek at your feet, mountains overhead, scenic trails and Main Street just moments away, and your beautiful new home at 514 5th Avenue, an easy stroll from it all. This mountain contemporary 4-bedroom home is perfectly positioned on a sunny corner lot designed to capture both light and views. And everything about it speaks to quality and craftsmanship. As soon as you walk in the door, you're greeted by these gorgeous lit oak stairs that guide you right up to the heart of the home. And wow, the main living level does not disappoint. This kitchen steals the spotlight. Walnut cabinets, a spacious island, granite counters, and high-end Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances complement the space perfectly. Honestly, it's practically begging for a dinner party. And if you're vertically challenged like me, you'll love the discreet built-in step stool. Proof that good design is also clever design. Now this dining area isn't just for meals. With vaulted ceilings and large windows, it doubles as one of the best seats in the house for soaking in those sought-after mountain views. And the great room? Gorgeous. Look at this open space flooded with natural light, and the floor-to-ceiling vaulted windows, complete with automated blinds, frame the mountain peaks like living artwork. And the natural wood ceilings and the oak floors anchor the space in natural elements. The owners love this space so much, they sit right here and stare out at those amazing views. And completing this mountain chic aesthetic, the gorgeous gas fireplace is set in contemporary concrete. And then there's the deck, and not just any deck. This massive 300+ square foot outdoor living space is an all-day invitation in the making, with views that just never disappoint. On this floor, you'll find the first of 2 beautiful large primary suites, with a stylish walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite complete with dual sinks, steam shower, heated towel bar, and a Toto toilet with bidet seat. Now, if you're looking for ease of lifestyle, this home really delivers. Also on this level is a guest bedroom and another full bath. Plenty of space for additional friends and family. Now, you've probably noticed these incredible extra wide, open riser, solid oak stairs. They lead up to the second primary retreat, complete with its own spa-like ensuite, with dual vanities, soaker tub, steam shower, and yes, a second Toto with bidet seat. Because once you've enjoyed one, you'll never go back. Now let me show you the ground floor. There's this cozy family room, perfect for movie night or relaxing after a day outdoors. Plus, there's this bright home office space that makes working from home a whole lot more enjoyable. Even the laundry room was thought through with care. Plenty of cabinetry, counter space, and a really cool drying cabinet that will make you feel like laundry day is, well, almost fun. Rounding out this floor, you'll find the 4th bedroom and 4th full bath. And for the gearheads in the family, a beautifully finished double-car heated garage, complete with durable epoxy floors and lots of room for all your mountain toys. Every inch of this home was designed with quality and comfort in mind, and every step outside reminds you why South Canmore is the place to be. Creekside walking paths, mountain views, the downtown amenities we all enjoy, and the icing on the cake, walk less than 5 minutes, and you're enjoying happy hour at Canmore's luxury premier hotel, the Malcolm, or the much-loved Bridgette Bar. Whether your day's made up of outdoor adventure, indoor relaxation, or entertaining your friends in style, this gorgeous South Canmore home brings it all together. It's mountain living elevated. Ready to see it for yourself? My contact info is below and I'd love to show it to you. If you enjoyed this tour, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'm Chezlene Kocian with RE/MAX Alpine Realty.